The Elephant and the Ant. Once upon a time, in a large jungle, there lived a big elephant. He was very proud of his size and strength. Every day, he would boast about being the biggest and strongest animal in the jungle. He would tease and trouble the smaller animals, saying,
"You are so small. I can crush you under my feet, and you won't even know it."
One day, while walking near a river, the elephant saw a tiny ant. Laughing loudly, the elephant said,
"Look how tiny you are. You are nothing compared to me. I can squash you without even trying."
The little ant quietly listened, but didn't say anything. She just walked away, but she had a plan in her mind. The next day, the elephant went to the river to drink water. While he was busy drinking, the little ant silently crawled inside the elephant's trunk. The elephant didn't notice at first, but soon, he started feeling a tickling and burning sensation in his trunk. The elephant tried to shake his trunk, but the ant was inside, biting him.
Ouch! What's happening? Help me! Somebody, please help!
The elephant swung his trunk from side to side, trying to stop the pain, but nothing worked. The tiny ant kept biting him inside his trunk. The big, strong elephant, who was once so proud, was now helpless. Finally, the elephant cried out,
"Please, little ant, stop! I'm sorry for being so mean to you and the other animals. I promise I will never trouble anyone again. Just come out of my trunk."
Hearing this, the ant crawled out of the elephant's trunk. The elephant sighed with relief and apologized to the ant. The ant smiled and said,
"You may be big, but that doesn't make you better than me. Sometimes, being small can be powerful too. You see, it's not about size, it's about how you treat others. I'll stop, but remember, never underestimate anyone, no matter how small they are."
Moral of the story: bigger is not always better. We should never underestimate others, no matter how small or different they may seem.